Alright, so I grabbed this 1100 watt microwave from where did I go out the other day? So it's 1100 watts. I put it on 2 minutes instant, and it's pulling at 1.5 kilowatt. It's not charging now, and it's not at this rate. It says I'll be empty in 4 hours and 48 minutes. So it's not really pulling. I mean, it's pulling a kilowatt, but this is the app, and it's not really draining the battery storage as of yet. So far so good. It's not pulling it real fast, but I think it's done. Okay, we eat the fish. All right, so it goes back down.
I'm gonna pull it back up.
And I have the light on. What do I have pulling? The light on the refrigerator, the deep freezer, and the lamp over there. That's all we have. Oh, and the incubator. And it's at and the heater for the chicks. And we're under 400 watts, but now at this rate, without the microwave, it's saying we are at 18 hours to empty.
Wait, what?
So we're doing pretty good, guys, even with a microwave, off grid, and our shed to house.